Hello students, welcome to the YouTube channel of Lalbagh Girls Inter College. This is Salba ma'am and today I am going to teach you chemistry for class 11th and 12th. So the topic for today is IUPAC. I am taking up this topic because it is common in both class 11th and in class 12th and equally important. So let us start. Okay student, this is the IUPAC part 3rd. Okay. So today we will study nomenclature of alicyclic compound. First of all, we should know what are alicyclic compounds. Alicyclic compounds are the compounds in which the carbon atoms are linked in a form of ring. Till now we have studied chain, but now we will study in a ring form or cyclic form. This is also called cyclic form. So these are alicyclic compounds. They can have double bond, they can have triple bond between them, they can have single bond between them, and all these compounds are called alicyclic compound. Now suppose here you can see how many carbon atoms are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon atoms are there and they are in a form of ring like this. Okay, in a square type ring. So this is also a ring. So it is called butane. Why? Because 4 carbon atoms are there and single bond is there. So its name is butane. It can be written like this. Okay. Now we will see rules for alicyclic compound. There are different rules for alicyclic compound. Till now we have studied the rule for IUPAC of the single chain or more than one chain in a chain form. Now we will study the rules for alicyclic compound, that is the cyclic form of compounds. Now the first rule is saturated alicyclic compound is named by adding cyclo prefix. Okay, we will add cyclo prefix to these cyclic compound because they are cyclic. So we will add cyclo prefix like this. I have already told you it is 4 are there, 4 carbons. These dots are what? Carbons 1, 2, 3, 4. So they are butane and single bond butane, and this we will write as cyclobutane. Right? Now next example is this. How many carbon are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 carbon are there. So it will be prop and single bond ane, propane. And it is a cyclic form, so cyclopropane, right? Now next rule is if side chains are present, they are named and positioned exactly in the same manner as of the open chain. Like as we have studied, open chain means as we have studied earlier in the similar way. So suppose side chains are present, this is what? A substituent or a side chain. So it will be positioned as exactly as same, like it is, we will number from this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So at first position, methyl group is present. So what will be the prefix? 1 methyl, and it is how many carbon are there? 6 carbon are there. 6 carbons means hex and single bond hexane. 6 carbon hexane, but we will write cyclo because it is a ring. So we will write 1 methyl cyclohexane, right? Now next. Again we will number from this position 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? Now at 1 position methyl is there, so 1 methyl. At 3 position what is there? 3 carbons are there, so propyl. So 1 methyl, 3 propyl, and 6 carbon atoms are there in the ring, so cyclohexane. 1 methyl, 3 propyl, cyclohexane, right? Now next rule, if multiple bond or functional group is present, the number of carbon atom is done to assign minimum number of functional group. So it means the numbering of carbon atom is done in such a way in which it receives minimum number to functional group. Functional group gets the minimum number. Suppose here you see example, this is the functional group. I have to give this functional group the minimum number. So I will start from 1 over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? So it will be cyclohexane because 6 are there carbons. So cyclohexane, and at 1 position alcohol is present. So it will be all, 1 all. Cyclohexane, 1 all. Over here functional group or over it is written functional group is present or multiple bond. So multiple bond is present over here. So we will start numbering from the multiple bond, right? So from the multiple bond 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. At 3rd position methyl is there. 3 methyl, and at second this is what, 5 carbon atoms are there, so cyclopent, and at first position double bond is there, 1 ene, right? 3 methyl cyclopent 1 ene. Now in the next rule we will see, when cyclic ring is attached to the chain, or one or more than one cyclic rings are present or attached to the single chain, then compounds are named as cycloalkyl alkane. That means if there is a chain and a cyclic group is attached to it, or more than, if there is a chain and more than one cyclic groups are attached, so how we will write the name, right? So this is a chain, open chain, and one cyclic group is attached to it. At what so we will number 1, 2, 3, 4. We will not number from this side, we will number from this side. Why? Because from on numbering from this side, at second position functional group, this substituent is coming. If we will number from this side, 1, 2, 3, at third position it will come. So from here it will come from at the second position. So we will number from this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So this is what, butane, because single bond is there and 4 carbons, so butane, and the prefix will be at second position. What is present? This is 1, 2, 3. 3 means propyl, and then this is also a cyclic form, so cyclopropyl. At second position cyclopropyl, and this chain is butane, right? Now in this example, 2 rings are there and 1 chain is there. We can number from either side, from this side also, from this side also, because at both position ring are there. So we will number 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbons are there, so but, and single bond, so butane, right? Now at first position and at fourth position these rings are attached. These rings are, how many carbons are there in the ring? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbons are there in the ring. So here also 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 carbons are there in the ring. This side ring also, and these 2 rings are the same. So 4 carbons are there in this ring, 4 carbons are there in this ring. So both these carbon are what? Cyclobutyl. Cyclobutyl we will write because it is a prefix. So how many? At first position and at fourth position, 1, 4, 1, 4, and dicyclo. 2 rings are there, so dicyclobutyl butane. 1, 4 dicyclobutyl butane, right? Now next group we will see, next rule we will see, when aromatic ring is attached to cycloalkane ring, the compound is named as derivative of benzene. Benzene, you know, this is a benzene ring. And if this aromatic ring is attached to any cycloalkane ring, this is cycloalkane ring because there are no double bonds are there. This is cyclic carbon. So what we will write? We will write, this is, how many carbons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 means hexa. So it is cyclohexyl. This is cyclic in nature. So cyclohexyl benzene. We will always name it on the name of benzene. This is cyclohexyl benzene. Now comes your aromatic compound. What are aromatic compounds? The aromatic compounds are aromatic is derived from the word aroma. Aroma means sweet smelling. These compounds are very sweet smelling, right? Now these are generally these are benzene derivatives. There are other heterocyclic compounds also, but generally they are benzene derivative. What is benzene? This ring, hexagonal ring in which there are 3 bonds, and these bonds are in conjugation with each other. This you will study later, right? So this is a benzene ring. You can write it this way, you can write it this way. There are bonds at alternate positions. Okay. Now the substituted benzenes are, first is mono substituted. Mono means 1. You already know mono means 1. And substituted, only one substitution is present. That is, substitution is present at position 1. For example, this is a benzene ring and at one position only this methyl group is attached. So it will be 1 methyl benzene. This is benzene. So at first position it is attached, so 1 methyl benzene. Similarly, this is a benzene ring and at only one position chlorine is attached. So it will be 1 chlorobenzene, right? Second is disubstituted benzenes. What are disubstituted? Disubstituted has 3 divisions, or you can say 3 positions: ortho position, meta position and para position. Now I will tell you What are these positions? Now see student, this is ortho position. What is ortho position? Suppose a substituent is attached at first position. The position next to first position, that is the second carbon, is ortho carbon. This carbon is ortho carbon, right? So this position is ortho position. Now next, what is meta position? That is 1 and 3. 1 and 3 is present, so this is meta position. First position, this methyl group is attached, and at third position, not at the second but at the third position. So this position is this position is meta position, right? This is meta, this is ortho, this is meta. And in the third, at 1 and 4th position, this is first position in which methyl is attached, and 1, 2, 3, 4th. At 4th position is methyl is attached. This 4th position is para position. This is para, right? So this is ortho, this is meta, and this is para. You can write the name accordingly. Now in this we will write 1 and 2, 1 position and second position, 1, 2 dimethyl benzene. You can also write as O-xylene. O-xylene means orthoxylene, right? In this you will write 1, 2, 3. So at 1 and 3rd, first and third position, dimethyl benzene. 2 methyls are present and this is benzene ring. 1, 3 dimethyl benzene. You can also write as metaxylene. And the third is 1, 2, 3, 4th. At 4th position, methyl is present, and first position 1, 4 dimethyl benzene. You can also write it as paraxylene. Okay. Thank you so much students for watching this video. Please do like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.